Hello, children. Tako, pa smo spet pri naši angleščini in štartali bomo tako kot ponavadi. Let's start with our hello song. Klikni in zapoj našo pesmico Hello, hello. Let's introduce ourselves. I am Martina. I'm 28. I'm from Ilirska Bistrica. Tell me what's your name, how old are you, and where are you from? You can also tell me, are you a boy or a girl? How are you today? Are you ready for our work? Ste pripravljeni na naše delo? I am happy and a little bit sleepy. What about you? Now, look at me. Look at my picture. Oglej si mojo sličico. Danes se bomo namreč pogovarjali o delih našega telesa. Listen really, really carefully. Zelo podrobno prisluhni. This is my head. Head. Repeat after me. Ponovi za menoj. Head. These are my eyes. Eyes. This is my hair. Hair. This is my nose. Nose. This is my mouth. Mouth. This is my neck. Neck. These are my shoulders. Shoulders. These are my arms. Arms. These are my hands. Hands. These are my legs. Legs. These are my knees. Knees. And these are my toes. Toes. Tell me, children, can you turn your head like this? I can do it. Yes, I can. Lahko premikate glavo? Seveda lahko. Yes, I can. Can you bend your neck? Lahko upognete vrat? I can do it. Yes, I can. Can you raise your shoulders like this? Hop, 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 hop. I can do it. Yes, I can. Can you wave your arms like for hello? I can do it. Yes, I can. Can you clap your hands? Of course you can. I can do it. Yes, I can. Can you thump your chest? Just like monkeys can do. And gorillas. I can do it. Yes, I can. Can you arch your back? Like cats can do. Can you? I can do it. Yes, I can. Can you wriggle your hips? Look how the crocodile wriggles his hips. I can do it. Yes, I can. Can you bend your knees? Look at the picture. I can do it. Yes, I can. Can you kick your legs? Oof, I can do it. Yes, I can. Can you stomp your feet? I can do it. Yes, I can. Can you wiggle your toes? I can do it. Yes, I can. Now you're going to listen and watch a beautiful story by Eric Carle from Head to Toe. Prisluhnil boš čudoviti zgodbici, ki jo je napisal Eric Carle. Brali smo že njegovo The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Nič hudega, če vsega ne razumeš. Zdaj smo malce ponovili oziroma že spoznali besedišče, ki ga boš slišal tudi v zgodbici. Pritisni na pavzo in prisluhni pravljici. Ko končaš, nadaljuj s poslušanjem posnetka. Tell me, do you like the story? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Now let's repeat few words. Zdaj pa malce ponovimo nekaj besed. Drugošolci, tretješolci jih že poznate, za prvošolce so nove, bomo jih pa ponovili čisto vsi. Hat, hat. Shoulders, shoulders. Knees, knees. Toes, toes. Ears, ears. Eyes, eyes. Mouth, mouth. Nose, nose. Now listen my instructions and touch, just like the game Simon Says. Prisluhni mojim navodilom in se dotakni poimenovanega dela telesa. Bodi pozoren. Touch your nose. Touch your head. Touch your toes. Touch your shoulders. Touch your knees. Touch your ears. Touch your mouth. Touch your eyes. Touch your ears. Touch your toes. Great job. Now first graders, zdaj pa prvošolci. Spoznali boste eno čudovito, ne zgodbico, ampak pesmico, ki jo bomo prepevali tudi v 2. in v 3. razredu. Pritisni na povezavo, ki jo imaš, in pesmico večkrat prisluhni. Ko misliš, da že znaš zapeti pesmico, zraven seveda tudi kažeš na ustrezen del telesa, pa klikni na spodnjo povezavo, in sicer tale pesmica je v malce hitrejšem ritmu. Poskusi zapeti in zaplesati tudi tole drugo pesmico. Then take your notebook and draw. Potem pa vzami zvezek z angleščino, če ga nimaš doma, nič hudega, vzami bel list papirja in se nariši. Torej nariši celo svoje telo ter s puščicami označi, katere dela telesa smo se danes naučili. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, eyes, ears, mouth, nose. To so besede, ki jih morate poznati prvošolci. Now second and third graders, za vas pa malce težja naloga. V priponki v povezavi imate dostop do zgodbice From Head to Toe. Tretjošolca poskusita prebrati sama, tudi drugošolke poskusite prebrati, če bo šlo, v nasprotnem primeru lahko prisluhnete še enkrat posnetku in ponovite oziroma za posnetkom preberete. Now tell me. Answer. Odgovori. Yes, I can. Ja, lahko. No, I can't. Ne, ne morem. Can you fly? Look, in this picture, I fly with a bird. Can you fly? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. I can fly. Yes, I can. Can you read? Read. Like read a book. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you jump? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you swim? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you dance? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Now take your notebook, your English notebook, and draw and write. Sedaj boste v zvezek z angleščino narisali svoje telo, torej svojo podobo celega telesa in označili ter napisali imena posameznega dela telesa. Za pomoč oziroma pomoč najdeš na naslednjem, naprej na posnetku. That's all for today, guys. I hope that we see on next Tuesday. Have a nice day and goodbye.